Here I am on the Gold Coast, right by the beach, and today I'm testing the new CASEKOO LinKOO on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. In the last video, I tested the CASEKOO StandKOO. That one was all about the built-in 360-degree magic stand and MagSafe. And I used it around the apartment, watching videos, filming, and using the hands-free. But this one is different. This is a CASEKOO LinKOO, and this is the outdoor carry case. This is the case if you're out and about, for example, if you're going for walks, the beach, your gym, runs, all those times where you want your phone close without constantly holding it or digging through your pockets. And now I'm living on the Gold Coast, this makes a lot of sense. I'm walking near the beach, going to the gym, running out and about, so I don't just need a phone case that looks good, I need something that protects the phone, feels good in the hand, and makes it easier to carry. Guys, I'm Andy from MrYouWho. Who tests it for you? MrYouWho. Real testing, real demos, real reviews, and real results. So in this video, I'll unbox the CASEKOO LinKOO, put it on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, test the hidden ClipSafe attachment system, show how it works with the strap, use it walking, out about, and test it daily protection. I'll also test MagSafe charging and see whether this is just actually useful or just another Lanyard case. So let's get into it now. This is a LinKOO, and straight away it looks much cleaner than a normal Lanyard case. That is important because a lot of Lanyard cases look bulky. They have that extra tab sticking out the bottom, or they need an insert pad sitting inside the case, and it can make the phone feel messy. Now guys, this one is different. Now the main thing here is the hidden ClipSafe buckle. So as you can see, when it's out like that, you can see it sitting out with Lanyard, but when you remove the Lanyard, it hides it straight away. So the case still looks slim and normal. Doesn't look like you're carrying around some giant travel case all day. Now, if you look at other cases that have this, they're very bulky, they sit at the edge. This doesn't have it. So when you need it, you press it out, and now you can attach a strap. Let me show you close up. Close, it sits flat, open, the buckle comes out. Attach a strap, and now the phone becomes much easier to carry. That is the clever part. It gives you the function when you need it, without making the phone annoying when you don't. As you can see, fit feels good. Buttons line up, cutouts are clean, and the back still shows the phone nicely. It has a clear design, so you can still see the phone, and the case does not make it feel overly bulky. It feels slim in the hand, which matters because this is supposed to be everyday carry case. It cannot feel awkward. This is MrYouWho, and we do things a little differently. We don't review products in a studio, we test them in the real world. Here on the beach, at the gym, here on the water, while exercising, driving around, whether I'm running here on the Gold Coast, out and about, so you don't have to. Real world testing, real reviews, real results. Subscribe, hit notifications, and check out our giveaways. Link is always in the description. And who tests it for you? MrYouWho. Now first, walking near the beach. It's exactly where the LinKOO makes sense. For walking, filming, carrying coffee, going near the water, or out for a walk, I don't always want to hold the phone the whole time. With a strap in my hand or the wrist, the phone is close, easy to grab, and feels more secure. Now bag carry. Now if I've got a bag or carrying other gear, I can attach it to a bag or keep it in easy reach. Instead of digging through pockets or a backpack, the phone is right there. Now coffee run or shops. Again, simple, but useful. Wallet, keys, coffee, sunglasses, you run out of hands quickly. Having a phone attached gives you one less thing to worry about. And that's why the CASEKOO means by hands-free. It's not that you never touch your phone, it is your phone is easy to carry and easy to access when you're moving, which is a great plus. Now let's look at the ClipSafe system, because that's the part they want to show. Open, close, open, close. It is built into the case, so you don't need a bulky external insert or a separate tab sitting there all the time. When it's closed, the case still slides in and out of the pocket, much easier than a normal Lanyard case. That's a big deal, because if something is annoying every day, guys, you stop using it. You can also use the attachment system with other things, like strap, keys, charms, daily items, whatever you want. Let's test MagSafe charging. So LinKOO supports MagSafe charging with the MagSafe on there. So you put it on there, snap it on, and it starts charging, which is what I want. I'm gonna have to take the case off every time when I charge it, which is great. And now protection, guys, a carry case has to be proper case. So if you're using it walking, traveling, going to the gym, it still has to protect your phone from daily drops. You can see the case there has got the raised edges which protect the screen. The camera is also protected by the lens in there as well, it sits out of it. It is built very solid as well, so it will survive the bumps and scratches here and there. I've also dropped it with this as well, and it has survived as well. And with the LinKOO, it feels like a protective case, not just a fashion strap. And that's important because the attachment system is useful. And also there's up to 20 kilos this can hold. So look at that, it's not breaking at all even with all that, which is excellent. So after using LinKOO for the last few days, I like the idea because it solves a different problem to the StandKOO. StandKOO is a case I would use around the apartment, the desk and the couch, taking calls or using hands-free, which is this one. The LinKOO is the one I would use when I'm moving, walking near the beach, outside, going to events, etc. Or anytime with the phone close, but I don't want to hold it the whole time. The hidden ClipSafe design is what makes it work. When it's closed, it still looks like a normal clean phone case. Then when you need it, you open the buckle, attach a strap, and it becomes a proper carry case. If you never use a strap, never travel, and just want a normal case, then maybe the StandKOO makes more sense. If you like the idea of keeping your phone close, secure, and easy to grab, the LinKOO is the one to look at. Together, guys, these two cases make sense. StandKOO is your hands-free. The LinKOO is carrying your phone hands-free. One is more indoor comfort, one is more outdoor movement. And that is why I wanted to test both. Also check out our previous reviews of all the CASEKOO cases we've done. We've done a whole series about 8 months ago where you can see it. I'll also leave CASEKOO purchase links in the description below. Shop now and save up to 40% off from 23rd to 26th of June only. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, MrYouWho, and let me know in comments which one you'd use more. The StandKOO with a built-in 360-degree magic stand, or the LinKOO with the hidden ClipSafe attachment system. Also check out our giveaways. We've got heaps going on at the moment. I'm Andy from MrYouWho, who tests it for you. Real testing, real demos, real reviews, real results. I'm gonna head to the beach now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.